Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set Netflix downloads to highest quality. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is open your Netflix app on your Android or tablet or even iOS. Then you want to simply go ahead and go to your profile icon, and then you want to simply go ahead and head into My Netflix. Here, you want to simply go ahead and click on app settings, and that is where you're going to find the video quality sections. It is going to be selected on standard. You can simply go to standard, high, or highest. Just keep in mind it will take a lot of data usage, whether it is Wi-Fi or data, whatever. You can also enable Wi-Fi only, which is definitely recommended. And then once you've done that, you can also enable smart downloads to automatically download and delete episodes you watch, and then find a movie or show and simply tap on the download icon. You can access them from downloads. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.